Well, he did it. He freaking did it, friends. I know one person who's not going to be happy about this, and that's Sleepin' Joe. Elon, our savior, apparently has bought Twitter for $44 billion. Not a bad deal. As news broke here that Elon Musk bought Twitter, the man literally shifted the market. I mean, literally, you can look at every single stock. 88% to 80% of stocks, whatever you want to say here, shifted. I mean, things were going terrible today in the stock market. The feds were saying terrible things, as they usually do. The deal was released and literally the whole market has shifted. Dogecoin is going back up to almost 17 cents, still moving, could break even higher in the high teens going into tonight. So obviously, this is just the beginning. We are in the very baby steps right now of what is going on right now with this deal with Twitter. Frankly, free speech. This goes down so many avenues, friends. And a lot of people are wondering, what is this going to do to Twitter stock right now? Now, surprisingly, Twitter, the stock did not do much today. Now, it's obviously going up, but it wasn't a huge climb. It's done more climbing in the past 2 weeks than it has done than anything else. But still, a lot of people are projecting that this is going to go one of two ways right now, to where we're going to see a whole new avenue open up Twitter here. Elon Musk, anything Elon touches, I've been preaching this for 2 years now, anything this guy touches, it's going to be expensive, it's going to make you money. So friends, think about this. You as a private individual, anything that Elon Musk owns is the CEO of. The small things that we get to buy into, like Tesla and his other companies that are not on an open market, but still all of his companies are killing it. So now he owns another multimedia company that is already established, that's already running up and going. Who knows what we're gonna see right now with Twitter? Who knows? So what I really think we're gonna see here with Twitter, this is gonna be interesting. Thank God it's only Monday, because now we get to watch the rest of the week how this is gonna play out. But obviously, now that Elon has bought Twitter, we're probably going to see a very mixed review this week. Obviously, the left community is not happy about this. As I'm making this video, Biden has not released a statement on this as of right now. Him and Elon's relationship has not been good in the past. If you know anything about that, they have gone back and forth. And Elon has made it known that he's not crazy about our president, which I think everyone is in that boat at this point. And the number one question I see right now on every message board is, when is Trump going back on Twitter? So there's a lot of random questions that matter, questions that don't matter, and just fun questions. And a lot of people are just saying right now, I think, I'm still in shock. We figured this was happening, but it happened real quick. And for us as investors in Twitter, personally, I used to invest in Twitter. It was one of the first things I ever bought in the stock market. But I sold out of Twitter probably a year ago. Obviously, I'm wishing I didn't at that point right now. But I think a lot of us are looking at Twitter right now, and we're very interested to where this could go. I'm sure Elon is going to release a lot of statements on what he's going to do with Twitter, what he thinks of Twitter, how he's going to revamp Twitter. Obviously, Twitter could take a huge decline here in the next month or so with, when we start to hear about changes. I think you're going to see a big shift of investors with Twitter. So this is very interesting. I personally would never really tell anybody to invest in Twitter until now, because you have someone behind it who's looking to make it bigger and better and more lucrative. And like I said, you literally have one guy who just shifted the whole market. So friends, to wrap up this Monday, Twitter is trading right now under $52, and it's still going up a little bit, so we could definitely break into a $52 mark completely here after hours. But tomorrow is going to be the real interesting day for Twitter investors. So friends, with all that said, very excited about this. If you have not invested in Twitter, we need to watch right now what's going to be going on with Twitter. For the next 4 to 5 years, this could really change with what, where Twitter was going and what Twitter is going to become now. So this is very interesting. Man, this is, does everybody see what I'm saying right now with this situation? It's really interesting. So friends, obviously, I'm really excited about this. I'm a sucker for Elon Musk. And this is just fun for us investors. I think the investing community has not had really anything fun happen lately. So this is a big deal for us, and I think a lot of us are very excited about this situation. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in that future of yours. Friends, I will talk to you very soon. Bye, everyone.